order to assess the quality of the non-stick coating used on the ProWare fry pans and milk pan, we asked independent testing laboratory, the Cutlery and Allied Trades Research Association, or CATRA, to recommend relevant testing. The technicians suggested an abrasion test based on a British standard. A Scotch-Brite pad is attached to a machine known as the abrasion resistance apparatus. The machine moves the pad back and forth across the non-stick surface, applying 1.5 kilograms of pressure, moving at a rate of 6.5 meters per minute. As the machine moves the pad across the non-stick, a soapy solution is added in order to wash away any particles that have lifted from the surface. This also keeps the pad from clogging and helps maintain an exacting level of abrasiveness. In order to really challenge the non-stick coating, CATRA recommended using a Scotch-Brite pad that was 10 times harsher than the pad recommended by the British standard. In order to provide a yardstick for comparison, we selected a good quality mid-tier fry pan. Both pans were initially subjected to 300 cycles of testing. The pad is changed every 50 cycles in order to ensure appropriate levels of abrasiveness are sustained. After 300 cycles, the competitor non-stick was showing signs of failure, but the non-stick on the ProWare fry pan remained intact. A practical demonstration of the impact of the abrasion test is to fry an egg in the pan. The pans are brought up to temperature and an egg is cracked directly into an empty pan. The ProWare pan cooked the egg perfectly and no sticking was observed. The same test was then repeated on the other pan, and after a few minutes the egg began to stick and it wasn't possible to bring the egg away cleanly from the pan. The non-stick of the ProWare pan clearly outperformed its competitor. In order to comprehensively demonstrate the difference between the two non-sticks, the test was carried out for a second time, in full, on the ProWare pan. After 600 cycles, there was still no impact on the non-stick coating, and the technician was able to easily fry a second egg.